In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Pocket Option dashboard effectively. This will help you become more comfortable using this platform, whether you're just getting started or looking to refine your skills. Once you're logged into the Pocket Option dashboard, the first thing you'll notice is its clean and user-friendly interface. Right at the middle top of the dashboard, you'll find a key feature, the Currency button. This button is crucial for selecting different financial instruments available on the platform, making it an essential tool for any trading activity. To begin, go ahead and click on the Currency button. This action will open up a menu that offers various categories of tradable assets. While the currency options might be the first thing you see, we're going to direct our focus towards another type of asset today to broaden your horizons beyond the usual. Next, make sure to click on the Commodities tab within that menu. This selection is particularly important if you're interested in diversifying your portfolio. Commodities can offer unique opportunities and are often more stable compared to other asset types, as they reflect some of the core needs and resources in the global market. Upon clicking Commodities, you will see a comprehensive list of all the assets available in this category. It's a diverse mix, allowing you to explore and select items that align with your trading strategies and goals. Here, you'll find everything from crude oil to precious metals like gold and silver, each with its own set of dynamics and market behavior. This list is an excellent resource for acquainting yourself with the different commodities available. Now that you're viewing the list, take a moment to familiarize yourself with each option. Understanding the available commodities and their market patterns can significantly enhance your trading strategies. It might even be helpful to keep an eye on global news or economic factors that could affect these commodities' values. Broadening your knowledge about what moves these markets will give you a competitive edge. I hope you now feel more equipped to use the Pocket Option platform effectively. By mastering these basic steps, you're setting a solid foundation for your trading activities. Always remember to conduct thorough research and practice sound risk management techniques as you explore various options. This approach not only empowers you to make informed decisions, but also supports long-term success in your trading endeavors. Thank you for tuning in today, and I wish you the best of luck on your trading journey. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell if you'd like to see more tutorials like this. Have a great day and happy trading!